can't log into your TikTok account without your email or phone number. Here's how to recover it. Hi, Imadusvia. And in this video, I'll show you how to recover your TikTok account, even if you no longer have access to the phone number or email you used when signing up. Let's get started. Step by step. Recover TikTok account without email or phone. Open the TikTok app and go to the login screen. Tap the question mark icon in the top right corner. Select Recover Your Account. Enter your TikTok username and tap Search. Then tap Need More Help. This will open a chat window with the TikTok Support Help Desk. What to write to support? Let them know that you can't access your account and need help recovering it. Be sure to include your TikTok username, a current email address, where TikTok can contact Youth TikTok Support Team will follow up to verify your identity and help you regain access to your account. That's all it takes. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and check out our full playlist of TikTok tutorials by clicking the link on your screen now. Thanks for watching.